Enugu State to establish 340 greenhouse farms in 17 local government areas to boost export. So imagine a future where Nigeria's agriculture isn't just about surviving but thriving, where farmers don't worry about seasonal changes and where fresh, exotic vegetables are grown all year round for export. Well, my people, that future is already happening in Enugu State. Enugu is about to revolutionize agriculture in a way that will create jobs, boost the economy, and put Nigeria on the global food map. And today, we are breaking it all down for you. Welcome to Everyone People TV, the home of real stories, real impact, and African progress. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the conversation. Let's get into it. So what's the big news? Enugu State government just announced a massive plan to establish 340 greenhouse technology farms across all 17 local government areas. Yes, you heard that right, 340. And guess what? These farms won't just feed Nigeria, they are being set up specifically for export. This means fresh produce from Enugu is about to hit international market. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break down what this really means and why it's such a big deal. Now, for those of us who might not be familiar with greenhouse technology, let me simplify it for you. Greenhouses are controlled farming environment where crops grow under optimal conditions. No excessive sun, no destructive rain, no unexpected dry seasons. This means you can produce high quality crops all year round without worrying about bad weather. Think of it like an elite VIP lounge for plants. Temperature is controlled, pests are kept out, and only the best, most productive crops gets to grow. This is what Enugu State is investing in, and trust me, this is a game changer. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. These greenhouse farms will not just be growing your regular tomatoes and peppers. Oh no, they will be focused on exotic vegetables and spices, the kind of crops that have high demand in international markets. We are talking about things like bell peppers, broccoli, kale, cherry tomatoes, herbs, and high-value species that top restaurants and supermarkets in Europe and America are looking for. And guess what? The soon-to-be completed cargo terminal at Akano Ibiam International Airport in Enugu will make it super easy to ship this fresh product out of the country. My people, this is serious business. But wait, there is more. This isn't just about exporting food, this is about creating jobs and wealth. Each greenhouse farm is expected to employ between 4 to 6 workers, meaning that across 340 farms, we are looking at over 1,500 direct jobs. And let's not forget the ripple effect. Transporters, logistic companies, suppliers, packaging industries, and even marketers will benefit from this initiative. And here's the kicker. The government isn't keeping this all to themselves. Private individuals and businesses can invest in greenhouse farming too. The Enugu State Ministry of Agriculture is ready to provide technical support to those who want to get involved. If you've ever wanted to go into agriculture but didn't know how, this might be your golden opportunity. Now, here's a question for us in Ebonyi State. Why aren't we doing the same? We have vast lands, fertile soil, and a growing need for economic diversification. If Enugu can pull this off, what's stopping Ebonyi from replicating or even improving on this model? If you're watching this and you believe our leaders in Ebonyi need to take agriculture more seriously, drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation about how we can push for similar projects in our own communities. At the end of the day, this isn't just about Enugu, it's about the future of agriculture in Nigeria. The world is moving fast and we need to modernize our farming method if we want to compete globally. This greenhouse initiative is proof that we can create jobs, grow the economy, and even take Nigerian agriculture to the international market. So my people, what do you think about this project? Is this the kind of investment we need more of? Should other states follow Enugu's example? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyone People TV. We'll keep bringing you real stories that matter. Until next time, keep thinking big, keep pushing forward, and keep believing in Africa's potential. Peace. Subscribe now for more insightful stories about Africa growth and development.